In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can power off and on the iPhone Air. We have 4 ways to do this in this guide. And before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead for the first method and locate your volume up button and the large side button on the right. Now press and hold both of these at the exact same time for a few seconds, and then you're going to see an option to slide to power off. Go ahead and do that. And that's one way to turn off your phone. The second method is to swipe down from the top right corner to open up your control center. You're going to see a little power button up in the top right. Go ahead and select that. And again, you'll see that exact same slide to power off bar. Go ahead and do that as well. Up next, you can actually do this through settings. Go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to general. And from here, if you actually scroll down to the very bottom, you're going to see a shutdown option. As soon as you select that, it's going to bring up that exact same power slider. Quick and easy if your buttons aren't working. And if you do have Siri enabled, go ahead and just say, "Hey Siri, power off my phone," and then confirm when it asks, and your phone is going to be turned off automatically. To turn it back on, there's 2 methods. Either just hold down that side button until you see that Apple logo and then release, or just plug it into a charger and it's going to power on by itself after a few seconds. But that is it. That's how you could power off and on your iPhone Air. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.